mindfulness for anger and other negative emotions. Becoming aware of our emotions is the first step. The next step is to develop the ability to manage them. Anger is one of the most challenging emotions and can be destructive to our well-being, our relationship with others, and even our body. Anger builds its intensity the longer we hold on to it. So, the key to managing anger is to diffuse it before it builds and leads to negative consequences. Often, anger comes on rather quickly due to a trigger or a resulting impulsive response. By practicing mindfulness for your anger, you can learn to lengthen a space between the trigger and the response. All emotions are felt physically, but anger is especially distinct and easy to identify in our body, making it an ideal emotion to practice emotional awareness. This activity will help you practice identifying emotions in your body and then using mindfulness to reduce the emotional response to the trigger. So let's begin. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and become aware of how your body feels. Then bring your attention to your bodily sensations. Take several deep breaths, and when doing this, make sure that you are completely filling up your lungs and then quickly exhaling. Now remember a time when you experienced mild anger or frustration. Allow yourself to feel that anger for a few seconds. Once you can remember the experience and feel what it felt like, focus on how your body experiences this emotion. Are there any parts of your body where you feel tension? How about heat? What sensations do you feel in your chest, your hands, your abdomen? What facial expressions do you have? Is your heart rate impacted? How are you breathing? As you check in with yourself to see how your body reacts to this, remember that everyone experiences anger differently, but there are some common physiological expressions such as grinding your teeth, clenching your hands, a rapid heart rate, rapid breathing, and tension in various parts of the body. Remind yourself that anger is natural emotion and that everyone experiences it from time to time. Place your hand on your heart and be compassionate to yourself. Remind yourself that even though you have a completely valid reason for being upset, that you do not have to suffer with this emotion of anger. Then release your anger. Imagine the tension in your body releasing. Let it go. Relax the muscles and clear out the physical sensations. Give your anger permission to leave your body, as if you are letting it float away down a river. Imagine waving goodbye to it as it goes. Bring your attention to your breath and consciously slower your breathing, gently watching it move in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you continue to breathe slowly, watch your body relaxing and your heart rate slows, and the sensations of anger weaken and diminish. If needed, you can sit with these sensations for several minutes, slowing your breathing and imagining your anger release from your body. And when you're finished, reflect on this experience. What sensations that you experience and how did they change throughout the process? How did bringing compassion to your anger impact the experience of your anger? You can use this activity anytime that you experience mild frustration or the feelings of anger. But the best way to use this is to sit with different experiences that you can remember to trigger the emotion within you and then use this process. When the situation isn't happening in the moment and when you practice this several times using different experiences, then the next time that you face or experience frustration and anger in real life, you can apply the same process. As you practice this several times, you will exercise your emotional control muscle, and your ability to diffuse anger and other emotions will continue to improve. You can also practice this using other emotions like anxiety, sadness, guilt, or anything else that you are struggling with. Not only will you become more mindful of how your emotions react in your body, you will more quickly be able to identify the emotions when they occur in your everyday life and release the sensations that are holding them in your body. With time, you will be able to prevent them from escalating. You will experience a sense of greater emotional control and well-being.